Hello everyone, ISE 2019. I'm Brian, Product Manager of Commercial Display and Solution in ViewSonic Europe. Here we are presenting the entire digital whiteboard solution. In ViewSonic, we are offering the most open and secure digital whiteboard option in the market. Here you will be able to see we already have the account signed up, which is binding with my personal Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. So I will be easily to open all the files that has already been saved into my OneDrive, Google Drive, or the Dropbox. So that is also ensuring the most secure content whenever you are conducting in the meeting room or classroom, always save you personally into your cloud drive. And we're also going to have something quite interesting to show you is in our whiteboard, we do have a magic pen, so-called AI pen here. Here we drawing a flower, and I can bring it up the flower to the canvas. If I do long press, they can do a further search from the Googles. So now I will be able to search more flowers, then I can bring it into the canvas. There are more features you will be able to find out in our website, www.viewsonic.com. Thank you.